Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting essentials: your iPhone with the latest iOS, your Apple ID signed in, and the physical card or its numbers. Once ready, open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a card. Scan it or type details manually to speed things up. You will then verify the card through your bank. Expect an SMS code or app prompt. Make sure verification completes. Without it, the card won't activate, so confirm the code and move to the next step. Once your card is verified, configure how you'll use it. Go to Settings, right arrow Wallet and Apple Pay to choose a default card. This saves you time at checkout and avoids accidental charges. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled so you can authenticate payments quickly and securely. If you use public transit often, enable Express Transit for selected cards to skip authentication. Finally, if you own an Apple Watch, pair and sync cards in the Watch app so you can pay from your wrist. At checkout, double-click the side or home button to open Apple Wallet. Select the correct card if it's not default. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode when prompted, then hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you feel a vibration and see the check mark. If a merchant needs proof, show the on-screen receipt. If a transaction fails, make sure NFC is enabled. Verify the card's status with your bank. Try removing and re-adding the card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.